In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default save location to OneDrive in just 5 minutes. This can be a great way to ensure that all your important documents are stored safely in the cloud, accessible from any device. Let's dive in and make this adjustment on your Microsoft Office applications. To get started, open any Microsoft Office application. For today's demonstration, we'll be using the Microsoft Word desktop app. If you prefer Excel or PowerPoint, don't worry, the steps are pretty much the same. Once you've opened the app, create a new blank document. This is just to ensure that you're in the editing environment when making these changes. Now, let's direct our attention to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, scroll down until you see the Options button and give that a click. This will open a new window with a variety of customization settings for your Office app. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll focus on just the settings we need. Next, in the Options window, navigate over to the Save tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the settings related to how your documents are saved. Keep in mind that changing these settings can streamline your workflow so you don't have to worry about remembering where to save each new file. Here, uncheck the box that says Save to my computer by default. What this does is shift your default save location from your computer's hard drive to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage service. Once you deselect this option, OneDrive will automatically become your primary save location. This change will ensure that all future documents are saved to the cloud by default, adding an extra layer of security and convenience to your file storage. After you've made this change, close the Options window to return to your document. Now it's time to test the change. Click the Save button on your document. When the Save dialog pops up, you should notice that OneDrive is now the default location. If everything is set up correctly, your files will seamlessly save to your OneDrive, making them easy to access from anywhere with an internet connection. And there you have it, changing your default save location to OneDrive in Microsoft Office is that simple. With these steps, you've taken an important step towards optimizing your digital organization and ensuring that your documents are always safe and accessible. Thank you for watching, and happy saving to the cloud.